One day, a curious young monk approached his Zen master with a heartfelt question. "Master, what is the greatest value of my life?" The master, with a gentle smile, handed the monk a large, ordinary stone. "Take this stone to the market," he instructed, "and if someone asks its price, hold up 2 fingers. If they bargain, do not sell it. Bring it back, and I will reveal the answer." The next morning, the monk carried the stone to the bustling market. A housewife noticed it and asked, "How much for this stone?" The monk silently held up 2 fingers. The housewife exclaimed, $2? No? Then $20. I'll use it to press my pickled vegetables. Amazed that someone valued the stone at all, the monk brought it back to the master. "Master," he said, "someone offered $20 for this stone. What does this mean about my life's value?" The master smiled. "Tomorrow, take the stone to a museum. Show 2 fingers if asked the price, but do not sell it." The monk obeyed. At the museum, curious onlookers admired the stone. One person offered $2,000, saying it could become a fine statue. The astonished monk returned to the master, exclaiming, "Master, someone offered $2,000. What is the meaning of this?" The master chuckled. "Take the stone to an antique shop tomorrow. Follow the same instructions, and then we will talk." At the antique shop, the monk was overwhelmed. One buyer offered $20,000, then raised it to $200,000, believing the stone to be a rare artifact. Speechless, the monk brought it back to the master. "Master, someone offered $200,000. Can you now tell me my life's greatest value?" The master looked at him with kind eyes. "My child, this stone represents your life. Its value depends on where you place it. In the market, it was worth $20. In the museum, $2,000. In the antique shop, $200,000. Your value, too, changes depending on where you stand and the people around you." He paused, letting the words sink in. If you stay in places that don't see your worth, you'll never realize your potential. But if you place yourself in the right environment, where your talents and uniqueness are appreciated, your value will grow beyond measure. The master concluded, "Life is full of possibilities. Believe in your worth and choose where you stand wisely. When you value yourself, the world will too." Your life, like the stone, holds infinite potential to become a masterpiece. And so the monk learned a profound truth. Our worth is shaped not by others, but by how we see ourselves and where we choose to be. Believe in your own value. The world awaits your brilliance.